for your in-cabin filter, we're going to be removing the glove compartment box, and you're going to start off and open this portion right here. The first step that you're going to do is you're going to push this latch in, and what you're going to do is you're going to push both of these sides in to release this, and these notches will come off of these two hinges. So once you removed this box, you're going to pull this notch out, and it's actually going to push down, and you're going to pull out, and you're going to see this all-in-one unit. This is about 12,500 miles on here. So for this model car, there aren't that many air filters that are aftermarket available. I found this at AutoZone. Here's the model number. I'm going to compare both of these for you, just so you can kind of see the look and quality of these as well. So we'll go ahead and get this out of the packaging, and I'll kind of show you these are pretty much an exact fit for this new car. So the look and feel look about the same. The pleats go up and down. The one on the left, the new one, actually looks like a little bit better quality compared to the original OEM one. So we're going to install this next. I'm going to go ahead and include the Amazon link to some aftermarket ones and also Subaru ones, so you can take a look at that, and also this STP one on AutoZone in case you want to pick it up. In the event that you need these instructions, I'll go ahead and pan down here for you in terms of the official instructions, in case you want to take a look at these. Pretty much follows the upcoming steps that we're going to show. And again, this is the model number and pretty much exact fit to the OEM. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and install this. We want to have the direction of the arrow heading up. We're going to go ahead and follow the natural edges that are inside here, and it'll naturally go down, and then it will push up right here, and then we're going to make sure it's snug, and then we're going to reinstall, and we're going to put both of these notches, and they're just going to lay inside there. We're going to push these two sides in, and then lastly we're going to push this up ever so slightly and let that connect in,